This is a short video for Caffe Nero about ProgrammExpress, the portfolio program and project reporting solution. I'm going to use a demo site, demo 15. Each client has their own URL, so it will be caffenero.programmexpress.co.uk. You'll see that we also use the corporate branding for each instance of the database, and we can log on to this cloud-based system. I'm going to log on as an administrator, and it will take us to a home screen, dashboard style. On the administrator, we'll be able to see when they move on to this home screen, we'll be able to see the portfolio of projects by opening up the highest level portfolio, and you will be able to see the programs of activity that sit underneath. So supply chain has a few projects, IT, digital, etc. From this screen, you can see the health of each of the projects using red, amber, green status, and against each of the modules within ProgrammExpress, shown better here by the updates of commentary, plan, resourcing, cost and benefit realization, impact management, risk, and logs, which can be issues, decisions, actions, or whatever you configure. So from this screen, we can see the data that sits within the modules, and more importantly, if the users have made their updates, we can run reports, automatically removing any central administration. So at the top level, we can run a report called Reg Status Summary. This will show us at one line per project level each of the projects that sit within the programs, and this is the report that we've configured in this instance, with some narrative of where we are with the project, the health in terms of red, amber, and green, and typically a consolidated Excel looking report that's automatic. Other types of reports that we could run would be a Gantt chart. Again, at the highest level, we can see the plan of action for every single project, warehouse management system, fulfillment process, and it will show us the Gantt view showing red, amber, and green in the taskbars, depending on the health of the project. One more report, we could run resource usage. So if we want to, it's not a resource management system as such, but we can allocate resources against projects, and we can start to look where we've got people allocated to projects and the health again of those resources in terms of under and over allocation. So very simple to get a view and a picture, very simple to configure the corporate branding, and very simple to run reports. Now, in terms of data updates, the experience for a user might be different because we can filter users by modules and projects. And if I'm going to log on as myself, Nick Wilson, I'll get the same home screen, but I'll get a different view. And the view I get is of the projects that I'm expected to update because I have write access to them, and only the modules that I'm expected to update. So you'll see here the blank, there are 4 or 5 extra modules which may be only relevant to IT serious project managers, but these might be business users. And here, can we update the commentary, can we update the plan, and can we update the logs, which issues, actions, decisions. Go into a project, BI reporting, I'll click on, I'll make a commentary update within there. I'll move through to the plan. I'll update the plan if I need to. I'll move through to logs. I'll update any actions, issues, decisions. When I've done that, I may have set up my own reports against that specific project, and I can run a one-page summary PPT. So this will be plan on a page that would drop nicely into a PowerPoint. I can see what the report looks like with the data that I've entered. So there are many more different types of project reports as well, but if we go back into the main screen via the administrator who can see and do everything, another example of report, if everybody's made their updates, then we might want to run that similar report, the one-page summary. This is filtered just for active projects within the system, some may be on hold, some may be cancelled, some may be closed, but just the active projects. And you'll see here automatically I've got 10 projects: warehouse management system, fulfillment process review. So these are showing examples of 1 page per project, and we can have project reports and we can have the program reports that I showed you. Other areas, we've got document management. We've got a lot of administrator configuration settings, which don't take very long. This can be up and running very quickly, and we can run further reports, and we can have a look at further dashboard views. That's just a very, very quick glance at ProgrammExpress. It can be up and running in 48 hours. It looks like your website. You configure however you want your portfolios and programs to look, and you start adding the projects. The training for the user is very simple and intuitive, and usage of the system is also easy to input and powerful, real-time, automated reporting output. So that's just a very, very quick show, and I'd just like to say thank you for watching, and hopefully we can discuss further.